Hi everyone, my name is Zheng Weiming. I'm the IT head at CWT Globelink. CWT Globelink formed in 1988 to provide international freight forwarding services. With a network of more than 100 offices in 31 countries. Headquartered in Singapore, we deliver customer cargo to anywhere in the world. Freight management systems are the core of any logistic company. FMS help us manage business-critical processes such as accounting, track and trace, warehousing, and vessel sailing schedules. Over the year, our FMS has evolved as we added on new modules from tariff management to customer booking automation. A few years ago, we adopted an IT strategy to become a data-driven operation. In order to achieve that, we need to integrate all Globelink applications on a single platform and leverage the cloud to lower our costs, improve performance, and scalability. We started testing out Oracle Autonomous Transaction Processing, ATP database, and Oracle Application Express, APEX. Using ATP, we had everything we need from cloud database and low-code development tools like APEX. By utilizing cloud services, we don't need to worry about upgrades, security, patching, etc. And when we tested a large data set, it ran 5 times faster than we did with other cloud providers. We like Apex because it was aligned with industry trends. It's very open to web application standards, has many out-of-the-box features that save development time. It's also consistent with Oracle developer skill set. So it was a perfect match to use for web applications. We started with small projects and then decided to rebuild our freight management system, which is an enterprise-grade application in Apex. Currently, we have 3 core business applications on Apex: FMS, RFQ toolkits, and CRM. We use Apex to collect reports and data. A central billing system allows officers to submit finance data to headquarters and settle billing with third parties. A rate calculator portal enables the customer to generate codes, convert to a booking, and view booking volume and the status in dashboard. We also build IT process dashboard to monitor data flow between officers and customers, such as e-booking, e-invoices, and cargo status. We are supporting more than 1,000 users globally from 120 working environments. Most importantly, Apex is an integral part of Oracle database, which gave us a capability and confidence to manage large amount of data and extract value from it. Our team, like Oracle all-in-one low-code approach, it saved us tremendous efforts on setup and managing infrastructure. Apex comes pre-installed with autonomous database on Oracle Cloud. Its business-centric tools allow us to focus on solving the problem and quickly model the data. Business users can participate, and we can validate if the prototype solves their problem within hours. Apex has helped us save about 14% annually on fee. We have seen performance improvement from 20% to 100% compared with other cloud and on-premise. We are able to use our time to innovate our applications rather than spend time on maintenance and recovery. Thank you.